Direct bored wells, I think our goal is to try and get our overall production to more than 500,000 a day. I think we're producing around 200 a day just from those 2 wells on free flow. So typically when we put compression on wells, they would flow against the lower pressure, which means higher rate. We've already tried the larger compressor that was there beforehand, and that resulted in some unstable flows. So right now it'll be putting some individual smaller compressors to make sure that those pressures we're producing against aren't as low and not sucking on the wells as hard. At the moment, we're looking at, do we deploy that larger compressor to our Stoney Creek area where we've got some production, where we can maybe do something with Dempsey longer term, and 1 or 2 other Stoney Creek wells, see if we can get a bit more out of those. So we've come quite a way since late last year in terms of reducing costs and trying to increase those flows and get additional flow out of some other wells to get to that point where this business is sustainable. Previous exploration wells, which we've now adequately disclosed to the market, which were targeting these deeper rocks, which hadn't really or still haven't really been explored for its full potential. That deeper potential we think is still there. We don't think those wells were drilled optimally to test that particular exploration play. So that plays valid certainly in the Stoney Creek area, and in and around the Malton VBC wells, we've got other potential sidetrack opportunities, albeit in a county which is not as friendly to oil and gas. So we've got some deepening potential and some sidetrack potential, which kind of is a longer term strategy to grow growth in the business. I wouldn't say it's a plan to grow the business in terms of material way to what people are looking at, but certainly overall, as our main undertaking for being on the ASX, that's our plans to value add those properties in our portfolio.